Top Safety Pick. This Chevrolet Spark delivers a gas i4 1.2 liters/76 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, automatic, continuous variable, CVT, STD, seating, front driver and passenger, high back bucket incorporated, adjustable head restraints, SALSA. This Chevrolet Spark comes equipped with these options: LS Preferred Equipment Group Incorporated, contents listed in STD equipment, LPO, fog lamps, engine, Ecotech 1.2 liters OHC 4-cylinder MFI, 84 horsepower, 62.6 kW, at 6,400 RPM, 83 pounds featuring of torque, 112.1 Nm, at 4,200 RPM, STD, AM/FM stereo incorporated, seek and scan, digital clock, aux audio input jack in center console, STD, wipers, front intermittent with variable delay, wiper, rear continuous with washer, windows, power, front and rear, wheels, 15.5 split spoke silver painted aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger with covered vanity mirror on driver side only, traction control. This Chevrolet Spark is a superstar. Top Safety Pick, KBB.com 10 Tech-Savviest cars under $20,000, KBB.com 5-year cost to own awards, KBB.com brand image awards. Expert reviews. As reported by KBB.com, numbers are appealing here, specifically a sub $13,000 starting price and 39 mile per gallon highway fuel economy rating. Equally appealing are the Spark's style and the size that's big enough to hold 4 passengers yet tiny enough to park where other cars can't. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9 T3L3 can get you a tried and true Spark today.